Let's talk about a few industry legal compliance requirements. Let's look at the business sector. Let's look at the oil and gas sector. Let's also look at the entertainment industry, just for examples. Okay, so for every aspect of the economy, the society that you want to venture into to carry out any activity whatsoever, there are laws providing for every sector of the economy. You want to talk about the health sector, there is the National Health Act, there's the Mental Health Act, there are other acts, laws, regulations that have provided for the medical sector of the economy. So if you also want to do any business within that sector, you must take steps to comply with the provisions of these laws. So when you comply with the provisions of these laws, you become safe to operate within that sector. Another aspect is for those in the entertainment industry, you'll be talking about patents, copyright, you'll be talking about 3 laws like that. We're talking about those laws. Why? Because you want to protect the originality of your work. And then you ask yourself, what is it that I will produce or invent that will qualify to be registrable? If I go to take what somebody else has produced, will it qualify as registrable? It will also depend on the condition upon which you obtain that thing, the time frame you knew about it, and the step that you have taken. Because here the law is always talking about priority. Who will the law give priority? The person who registers is the person who has priority over that work. So it is also one thing to create. It's another thing to be careful so that you don't publicize it without first registering it, so that you can claim ownership and have rights to execute, except you now want at any point in time to transfer it, because it is transferable, to transfer a particular share of that your right or ownership right to another person, or all of it, upon terms that you have agreed with such a person. Okay, so if you also talk about the oil and gas industry, for instance, there are also laws. You have the Petroleum Industry Act, you have the Sabotage Act, you have distribution. There are a lot of other laws that you also have to look at, see what they provide, see how they regulate activities within that sector, and then comply with those provisions. When you comply with those provisions, it means that you are creating a safe environment for your business, where you will go about the activities of your business without fear that the law is coming after you. This is Xivial Law Essence. Here we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again.